Today, I am revealing the top 7 best portable personal blender for college students to see which one actually survives dorm life, tiny sinks, and 8 a.m. classes. If you are living in a dorm, you know the struggle. You want a smoothie or protein shake, but you have zero space, zero time, and you definitely don't want to wash a huge blender. So I found all the top sellers and ranked them from 7 to 1 based on real dorm use. I put all the Amazon US links in the description if you want to check current prices. Let's get into it. Number 7, Pop Baby's Portable Blender 15 ounces. All right, starting at number 7 with Pop Baby's Portable Personal Blender. This one is interesting. I found this one is designed super light, like you literally just drink from the bottle. You blend and then you take the cup off so you don't have to carry the whole motor. That's smart for a backpack. What you will notice right away, the battery is actually insane. You charge it once and it lasts almost a whole week long. I was mixing daily soy milkshakes and it just kept going. And the lid, it has got that rubber ring so it doesn't leak in your bag. I threw it in my backpack, shook it, nothing. But here's the real thing, you have to cut your fruit tiny. Like if you throw a whole apple slice in there, it just stops. And that is kind of annoying. It is safe that it stops, but you end up basically making it by hand before you blend. So yeah, great idea, super portable, but not powerful. The verified specs are 175 watts max power, 22,000 RPM 304 stainless steel 4 leaves blade, and it weighs 1.69 pounds. Pros: battery lasts almost whole week long, completely leak-proof lid for backpack travel, detachable parts clean super easily, no mold. Cons: needs tiny chopped fruit pieces always, stops blending when chunks too big. Number 6, Oster My Blend Plus and Blend Active. Portable 20 ounces. Now let's see how this compares. Number 6, Oster My Blend Plus. So Oster has 2 versions. The corded My Blend Plus, which is 500 watts, and the USB rechargeable Blend Active. I found both are 20 ounces, which is the biggest on this list, so if you like big shakes, you will like this. You get that nice sip spout, looks sleek, feels fun to use on the go. For a light protein shake with a frozen banana or some strawberries, it does the job. It is quick. But let's be honest, this isn't the powerful one. You try to add oats, peanut butter, bunch of ice, and like 3 other things, it struggles. It just isn't built for that. And quality control seems hit or miss. You might get one that works great for months, you might get one that never really starts. That is what makes it number 6. Verified, it is BPA Free Triton bottle, stainless steel blade, 3-year satisfaction guarantee, dishwasher safe. Pros: biggest 20 ounces bottle for meal shakes, sleek design with awesome sip spout, dishwasher safe, and travel friendly. Cons: not powerful enough for oats ice, quality control can be hit or miss. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Personal Blender Sieve 1101 AG 14 ounces. Number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51101 AG. And honestly, this thing has been around for like 15 years for a reason. I found this is the classic dorm blender. It is corded, so no charging ever. You just plug it, press one button, done. It is tiny. Fits in any cup holder, fits in any cabinet. Verified specs are 300 watts peak power, stainless steel blades, 14 ounces BPA free travel cup, 1.8 pounds, 3-year limited warranty. You will get a nice light smoothie if you use it right. Frozen berries, yeah, it handles that no problem if you don't overload it. But if you need a powerful blender that crushes big frozen chunks, this isn't that. It isn't a food processor, it is a little smoothie maker. Cut your fruit small, don't overfill. For under $25 though, it is hard to complain. Perfect size for one person. So yeah, best budget pick for sure. Pros: always ready, no charging needed ever. Perfect single serve size for dorms, super cheap and easy to clean. Cons: weak with big frozen fruit chunks. Cup can crack if you overfill number 4 Magic Bullet. Portable blender, MBPB 50100 16 ounces. All right, let's move on to number 4, Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB 50100. This is the cordless version of the one everyone had. I found this one surprised me. It is actually quieter than I expected. I threw frozen strawberries in there and it blended them like a normal big blender. No joke, it keeps a charge for a long time, like you can do maybe 15 plus cycles on one charge. And the brand name helps, you trust it a bit more. Cleaning is easy, it comes apart fully, no weird smell if you air dry it like you are supposed to. Just remember, you have to line up the little markings on the bottle and base or it won't turn on. I missed that at first too, but once you get it, it is great value. Verified, it is 16 ounces, 1.9 pounds, USB-C rechargeable, handled flip and sip lid, includes flavor infuser basket. Pros: blends frozen strawberries surprisingly well, keeps charge for really long time, low noise, and easy to clean. Cons: must align markings to start blending. Small, 10 ounces, usable. Liquid capacity, really. Number 3, NutriBullet. Personal blender NBR0601, 600 watts, 24 ounces. Now we are getting into the powerful ones. Number 3, NutriBullet Personal Blender NBR0601. I found this one is just reliable. It is surprisingly powerful for how compact it is. You throw protein, frozen fruit, even like cottage cheese, and an egg for those low-carb wraps people make. It whizzes it in seconds and super smooth. Design is sleek, doesn't take up counter space, feels sturdy. And cleanup, you blend in the cup you drink from so you save so much time. That is huge for college. Verified specs are 600 watts, 24 ounces cup, push, twist, and blend, top rack dishwasher safe cups, 4.79 pounds, includes motor base and extractor blade. This is the one if you actually use it every day. It isn't cordless, but for a dorm kitchenette, it is perfect. It is the original best portable personal blender for college students that everyone still buys. Pros: surprisingly powerful and super smooth results. Sleek. Compact design saves counter space. Cup doubles as drinking cup, saves time. Cons: corded, not truly portable for backpack, can be pretty loud in morning. Number 2, NinjaFit Compact QB3001 SS 700 watts. All right, number 2, NinjaFit Compact QB3001 SS. And this one, wow. I found this is an enormous improvement if you had a cheap old blender before that bogs down. This thing does it in seconds. Frozen fruit, ice, even fresh ginger, gone. Smooth. What I love, and you will too if you hate complicated stuff, the blade screws on so easy, the lid screws on easy, and it rinses clean in like 5 seconds. No small parts to lose. You just unscrew the blade base, rinse, and screw on the flip-top drink cap. That is it. Morning smoothie routine cut in half. It is compact, but it is 700 watts, so it has got real power. Verified, it includes 2 16 ounces Nutri-Ninja cups, 2 spout lids, Pulse Technology nutrient extraction, frozen blending, BPA-free dishwasher safe, 3.06 pounds, 50 recipe guide included. It is the easiest to use on this whole list, perfect for anyone who just wants it to work. Pros: crushes ice and frozen fruit in seconds. Easiest screw on lid and blade design. Rinses clean in seconds, no hassle. Cons: needs outlet, not battery powered, slightly bigger than true portable bottles. Number 1, BlendJet 2 portable blender, 16 ounces. And number 1, BlendJet 2. The best portable personal blender for college students overall, in my opinion. Look, this one is polarizing, and I get it. Some of you will love it, some will say it is weak. Here's the truth I found. If you overload it with straight ice and huge chunks, yeah, it gets stuck and turns off after a few seconds. That is frustrating. I get why someone would be mad. But if you use it like it is meant to be used, liquid first, then small fruit, protein powder, little ice, it is the best for college life. It is USB-C rechargeable, self-cleaning, you just add water and soap and blend. It is quiet, it is 16 ounces, it has got pulse mode so you can make dips and salsas too, and lock mode so it doesn't spill in your bag. Verified, it is 16 ounces, 1.61 pounds, stainless steel blade, TurboJet technology, 15 plus blends per charge, self-cleaning. It is cute, it is collectible, fits literally anywhere. For a dorm, for the gym, for class, this is the one you will actually use every day. And yeah, I put the Amazon US link for this BlendJet 2 and all 6 others in the description so you can compare prices for 2026. So yeah, that is my ranking from 7 to 1 for the best portable personal blender for college students. If you want pure portability, go BlendJet 2. If you want pure power in a tiny dorm, go NinjaFit. Hopefully this helped you decide which one actually fits your routine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.